Resume. Okay, so yesterday we discussed already about a cube. We are done now with the cube, rectangular prism, and also we are done with the cone and pyramid, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we already done discussing the volume of uh, cube, rectangular prism, uh, cone, and a different types of pyramid, like a square pyramid, rectangular pyramid, and triangular pyramid. All right. So tonight we will discuss and talk about what solid figure do you see?
Sphere.
Sphere and what else? What solid figure do you see?
Sphere
Sphere and
cylinder.
cylinder. Very good. So we will talk tonight about sphere and cylinder.
Actually, we talked
Mm-hmm.
about the sphere, and can I get my notebook because my notes is there?
Oh, sure. Sige po. All right.
The formula of this of the um
Of a
of
cylinder.
it's pi r square times high,
Mm-hmm.
and then the
And then, all right. Okay. So let us recall. Is that for cylinder?
yeah.
Okay. So before we start in the formula in getting the volume, let us identify also the elements or the parts of a cylinder and a sphere. Okay. So like what we did last time in cone and prism and pyramid. So a cylinder has flat top. The top and the bottom is a circle, right? Okay, and then it has a lateral surface, the body of your cylinder. Cylinder has three parts, namely flat top, flat base, and lateral surface. So if you will draw the nets of your cylinder, you can create two circles, right? Two circles and one rectangle. All right.
Miss, what is screen green? Oh, never mind.
I am green.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the camera. My camera is I don't know what happened. But do you see me na?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So if you will see the nets of your cylinder, you can create two circles and one rectangle. Okay. All right. Next. All right. The elements of a sphere. A sphere is a round shape solid figure. It has a round surface. Okay. It has a radius, which is the R. R is the radius of the sphere, and P is the point of the center. Okay. Then how uh okay, this is the nets of a cone. This is the nets of the cylinder. Ayan. And now, what are the formulas in solving the volume of a sphere in a cylinder? Let's see. Wait lang pa. Mhm. So, earlier you said that what is the formula for a cylinder?
Pi r squared times 5.
Pi r squared times height. That's it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
And then denominator
Do we have the denominator?
3. It just
Mm-hmm.
says here. Well, there's like about
Uh-huh.
the yeah, that's what
Okay. So, the volume of a cylinder, let's wait lang for the formula to appear. Okay. So, these are the formula for a solid figure cylinder. Let's wait lang. All right. In cone, if you will remember, the formula for uh, cone, the volume of a cone is one third times pi r squared. Do you remember that?
Miss, your screen is green again.
Don't worry, it will come back. All right. So 1/3 times, oh, I told you. Okay, 1/3 times the pi. Okay. R squared H. Oh, do you remember that formula?
Yes.
Okay, that.
I remember how to solve it. So like
Mm,
um the number times the number, and then you get the answer for that number, and then times 1 for the 1/3, and then number times divided by the denominator of 1 is the answer.
okay, so you will divide it into what number?
The denominator.
Okay, what is the denominator? Number
3.
3. Very good. So it means you already remember our lesson yesterday. Very good, Mika. So,
Actually,
mm-hmm.
I get it now, like today.
Oh, really? You have an exercise about that?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Oh, what is your score? Do you have
I
score na?
Yeah. It's
You
like
got it on the you got the examples sa school.
yes.
All
And it's like
right.
15 questions, and I got like 13 out of 15.
All right. So this is the formula that you are saying about cone. This is the 1/3 times pi r squared times h. All right. So that is the formula that we used yesterday. And today, we will try to compute for the volume of a cylinder and sphere. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, volume of a cylinder. So this is the volume of a cylinder. Ayan. A cylinder is a prism because the base and the top side are parallel. So looks like a prism, but a cylinder have base circle. Unlike the prism, it has a square base or a triangle base, right? It can be rectangular prism or triangular prism. So like what you said earlier, okay, very good. It means you are correct. The formula for a cylinder is pi r squared h only. You will put 1/3 lang if you are getting the cone. You will put 4/3 if you are getting the what? When do you use 4/3? Volume of what?
4.
Yes. That is for volume of the 4/3. Let's see nga, if you remember. Where do we use 4/3? We use 1/3 in cone. How about 4/3?
4 over
Ah,
3.
yes. We use that in,
Wait. Wait.
yeah, you can do it in,
Not. It's not cube. It's not
mm-hmm,
percent. Is it
yes.
pyramid?
Are you sure? Pyramid is, pyramid is just base times height eh. The base is the the base is depends if that is a square, a rectangle, or a triangle. But
Is it
I think mm-hmm,
um
4/3 use in
yeah?
sphere. All right. So let's try first in the cylinder. So we will use pi r squared in getting the cylinder. All right. So I will give you an example. What if, for example, what if our cylinder has radius? Okay, I will give you a given. For example, our radius is 5. Okay, for example, 5. Where's my pen? Okay, for example, our radius is equal to 5. And then the height is equal to, for example, 10 cm. Let's put unit measure. For example, your cylinder has radius 5 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. What do you think will be the volume if we will use this formula? Pi r squared h. What do you think? What do you think, Mika?
P? Wait,
Mm-hmm.
because
What is the value of pi again?
pi is 3.14 and the radius is 5 and then the height is 10. So 5 times 10 is 50 times
Uh-huh.
3.
Wait. Your radius is squared. Don't forget it. It means
Ah,
you will square first your
5
5.
divided by something something.
Uh-huh. 5 squared. What is the meaning of 5 squared?
Oh, wait, I think I remember.
Uh-huh. So
Multiply it by itself.
it will become, yes, multiply by itself. Very good. So it will become what?
5
3.14.
times, okay,
3.14
times
times.
5 times 5.
Very good. What is 5 times 5?
5 times 5 is 25.
25. So that is the answer in 5 squared. I will put here on the bottom. So it will become 25. What's next? So 3.14 times 25 times what? We have the height pa. What will be your height?
The height is 10.
Very good. So you will multiply 5 squared into 10. So it will become like this. 3.14 times 25 times 10. What do you think will be the answer?
3.25 times 10.
What will be your answer if you will multiply 25 and 10?
It's the answer is
Uh-huh. The answer is, you can try it on your
7,000.
iPad.
Wait, no. No. For 3.14 times 25, the answer is 7,850, and I will put a decimal point right here. So 78.50.
78.50 is your answer when you multiply 3.14 and 25.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Your answer is 78 point what?
50.
50. Let's see. Let's check. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. 78.50. So you will have 3.14 here. Ay, wait. Can you show me how do you multiply 3.14 and 25 here on our screen so that I can see how do you multiply them?
Oh, I forgot the one.
Oh, what
No.
one?
I need
uh,
to redo it again.
you can do it again. Can you do that on our screen so that I can see your answer?
Okay.
Sige po. Just multiply first the 5 to 3.14 and then 2 times 3.14 and then add. You can do it. What will be your answer? Can you write your answer here on the screen? Can you write pa? Okay.
Give me a sec.
So it means the 78.50 is not your answer na. Right?
Yes.
I will erase it na.
Okay. I got a new answer. No.
Sige pa. Can you write it?
Okay. So 28.
Mm-hmm. All right.
2751.
Very good. 7 and 15. Okay. And
And
then?
8 still.
Mm-hmm. 8.
Oh, 8
Wait.
to 6. My bad.
All right. 8 to
6.
6. Oh, you're
And
good in
then
multiplication na.
for 1
Uh-huh. Wait.
and
Where did you get 413? Where did you get that? It's okay na. You multiply 5 like this na, right? And
yeah,
you multiply this one na,
put
right?
the one there.
So it means it's okay na. You can
My
add it
answer
na.
is correct.
So it means your answer kanina is right.
Uh-huh.
You can add it na. You can add it na.
0,
So it will
15,
become 0, 15. Uh-huh.
8,
8 and
7.
7. Oh, very good. It means your answer earlier is correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so very good. You're good in multiplication na. So 78.50. Always remember that your numbers here on the bottom, the numbers you're going to add, is based on your second number. If that is 2 digit, it means you have to answer. Okay? To add. All right? So 78.50 multiply by this 10, right?
Yes.
If you will multiply it to 10, what will be your answer? What will be your final answer? What is your answer? If you will multiply it to 10, you can try it on your what do you have there ba? Do you have your iPad?
Yes.
You can try it on your iPad. What is your answer? I will try it on the screen. Let's see
It's
if we have the same answer.
so 78.50 times 10.
Yeah, 78.15 times 10. What?
times 10, 0,
Yeah,
0,
like that.
0, and then 0, and then 5, and then 8, and then 7.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay,
Oh.
two-digit numbers, okay.
Uh-huh.
And then 0, 0, 5, 8, 8, 8, 7. So
Mm-hmm.
the answer is um okay, 785.00, or could be just 785.
Very good. That is 785.00 or just 785. Very good, ah. So what is your unit measure?
Oh wait, it is
Uh-huh.
cm3.
Okay. cm cube or cubic
Like
centimeter. Okay?
cube, like
Yan, like that. You will read it as cubic centimeter or cm cube or centimeter cube. Okay? You get it? Do you have any question about our example?
no.
All right. How about the sphere? What is the volume of a sphere? So in sphere, it is very easy to compute. Why? Because the formula for a sphere is just V is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, 4 over 3. In cone, we have 1/3, right?
Yes.
So in sphere, we have 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay? What do you mean by pi r cube? What do you mean by r cube? It means your radius will be multiplied 3 times by itself. So for example, your radius is 2. What are you going to 2? 2 times 2 times 2. Like that.
Oh,
Okay, let's try. What if the radius, I will give you one example. What if the radius is 4 meters? For example, 4 meters. What are we going to do? What are we going to do, Mika? If our radius is 4 cm, how will you write it on our formula?
so
Okay, let's write 4 over 3
4 over 3 times
times.
3.14
Very good. And then
or
for what? We have r here, but
times
it
4.
is cube. So it means your 4 will be 4 cube, right? What do you
uh,
mean by 4 cube? It means how many 4? Yes. Okay. So you will multiply 4 3 times. So 4 times 4 times 4, like that. What is the value of that? If you will multiply that. 4 times 4 is 16. How about 16 times 4?
16 times 4 is wait uh
Uh-huh.
64.
What? 64. So that is 64. All right. So it means 64 will be multiplied to 3.14 and 4 over 3. What will be your answer for that? Can you multiply 3.14 and 64?
Okay.
What will be your answer?
What is
3.14 times 64 is
3.14 3.14 times 64 is
What is your answer? I will help you to compute it.
I got it. Wait.
What is your answer?
6, 6, 7. Okay. So 6, 9, 10, 9, 10. So the answer is 100.96. The answer is 100.96.
Sorry, I don't have mic pala. I think that is 200.96.
Wait, let me just.
You can double check your answer. So 3.14 times 64 is 200.96. And then, you will multiply it to 4, right? Because you will multiply it to 4 over 3.
Oh no.
You got 200.96 na?
Wait, wait. 5, 6, 7, 9.
Uh-huh. When you multiply 3.14 and 64, the answer is
Oh, it
200.
is 200.96 because
Yeah,
I
very good.
put the one in the other
Uh,
one.
yes. And then, after that, you will multiply it to 4 because that is the numerator.
Yeah.
And then, you will divide it to 3 because that is the denominator. So, the final answer is, okay, I will help you na.
0.9. Wait, can I do?
Yeah. You will divide it into 3.
Oh. Uh-huh.
So, the final answer, I will reveal the final answer na ha.
Okay.
Okay, the final answer is 267.95. 0.95 meter cube. Meters cube or cubic meters. Like that. Do you see the screen na po?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have any question in our example?
No po.
Okay, so later we will try to answer some examples of cylinder and sphere. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so let's have a 3-minute break muna and then I'll call you again after 3 minutes. Okay? Alright, see you in 3 minutes.